There are many benefits for investment casting.
A lot of engineers, when they're designing a part, they don't realize the savings that they could achieve through investment casting. We can reach a near net shape quicker than they could machine it.
We can cast items in that you actually can't machine it.
And investment casting has a tolerance of plus or minus 5 thousandths per inch, which is very impressive.
If you're making your part through machining, you're wasting a lot of time, a lot of material.
You don't have a bunch of chips on the floor, which is just dollar bills you're throwing away.
Where an investment casting could cast you a part near net shape.
The nice thing about investment casting, you have consistency. From one part to the next, it's cookie cutter.
We could put 20 complex parts on one tree, get it cast before your machinist could set up on just part number 2.
What we've always said here is that we need to be an aspirin, not a headache.